Today we are diving into quiet luxury for winter, but I'm doing it in the most useful way possible. I'm giving you 2 capsules, a warm capsule, camel, cream, chocolate, and a cool capsule, black, gray, navy. One warm, one cool. Same logic, same elegance. 2 very different energies. Quick note, I'll email you the full warm and cool capsule boards and every outfit formula from today so you don't have to screenshot. Link is below. If you've ever stood in front of your closet feeling uninspired, you're not alone. We all want that mix of sophistication and simplicity, without the chaos. Here's the twist. You don't need a packed wardrobe to look expensive. Quiet luxury is about a few high-quality pieces that quietly do the work. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to build outfits from a warm capsule or a cool capsule, so getting dressed feels like second nature. Every quiet luxury outfit starts with the top, because that's the foundation of elegance. Think classic button-down shirts in crisp cotton, or smoother fabrics that look polished instantly. Then add winter knits, a fine turtleneck, a clean crew neck, a soft sweater that holds its shape. Warm capsule tops, lean cream, chocolate, deep green. Cool capsule tops, lean white, gray, navy, black. The key is clean lines, minimal details, and calm colors that mix with everything. If you want all these capsules plus outfit formulas sent to you in one neat PDF-style email, join my free list below and members get it first. A quiet luxury wardrobe isn't complete without strong outerwear, because outerwear is what people notice first. Look for a tailored blazer that instantly sharpens your silhouette. Then one long wool coat, structured, heavy enough to drape, and simple enough to stay timeless. And a minimalist trench is the perfect in-between layer, especially for milder winter days. Warm capsule outerwear, camel, chocolate, warm beige. Cool capsule outerwear, black, charcoal, deep navy. For bottoms, quiet luxury is all about fit and fabric. Tailored trousers create the most expensive line, especially in wool or a structured blend. A good pair of straight or wide-leg jeans keeps the outfit modern, but still refined. And one skirt, satin, or a clean midi gives you that elegant contrast with knits. Warm capsule bottoms. Cream trousers, deep brown, darker denim. Cool capsule bottoms. Black, gray, navy, crisp, dark denim. Shoes and bags are the subtle stars of quiet luxury. Classic loafers instantly make denim look elevated. Then one sleek boot, tall or ankle in smooth leather, simple shape, no fuss. And yes, clean sneakers work, but only when the outfit around them stays sharp. For bags, go structured. A top handle or a simple shoulder bag looks polished even with basic pieces. Warm capsule bags lean brown and cognac. Cool capsule bags lean black and deeper tones. No winter look is complete without the right accessories, and in quiet luxury, accessories should finish the outfit, not decorate it. A scarf in wool, cashmere, or a soft blend adds texture without looking busy. Add small earrings and a classic watch, simple, clean, timeless. And a belt plus leather gloves. That's the little detail that makes the whole outfit feel intentional. Now let's bring the capsules to life. For each outfit, I'll show a warm version and a cool version. Same formula, different palette. Outfit 1. A clean knit top with tailored trousers. Same formula in the cool capsule. Darker, sharper, slightly more dramatic. Outfit 2. Dark denim, a refined knit and a blazer. This is how jeans look expensive. Cool version, keep the lines clean and let the structure do the work. Outfit 3. A soft knit with a sleek skirt. The texture contrast is what makes it look luxe. Cool version, monochrome and sharp. Simple but very expensive. Outfit 4. A winter uniform. Coat, knit and relaxed trousers. Cool version, same comfort but cleaner contrast. Outfit 5. A crisp shirt, a blazer and tailored pants. This is quiet luxury for real life. Cool version, it reads powerful and polished without trying too hard. That's the magic. One formula, 2 capsules, and suddenly your wardrobe makes sense. Tell me in the comments, are you a warm capsule girl or a cool capsule girl? Now that you've seen the warm and cool capsules, let's take it one step further and bring them to life with even more outfit inspiration. A pleated top with delicate bows adds texture and softness. Pair it with high-waisted black jeans. Finish with square-toe boots, clean, modern, and refined. Layer an oversized shirt under a polo neck vest. Add straight leg jeans. Mary Jane flats keep it polished. A braided headband gives it a vintage touch. Start with a monochrome base, a cap sleeve turtleneck with gray drape trousers. Add a tan blazer. Samba sneakers make it modern. A shopper bag keeps it practical. Wide leg linen pants with a sleeveless turtleneck, cap-toe ballet flats, a structured bag, rectangular sunglasses. Simple, sharp, quiet luxury. A thick knit cardigan with a satin maxi skirt, elegant and easy. Finish with block heel sandals for understated chic. Vintage wide leg jeans with a fitted tee and a knit jacket. Add a classic watch. Penny loafers and sunglasses. Timeless and expensive looking. A plaid blazer over a high-neck sweater, black trousers for structure, leather gloves and tall boots, a simple black bag, polished and powerful, a navy sweater over a light blue shirt, black trousers, suede loafers, a chic watch, neutral bag. This is an outfit you repeat forever. A cream sweater with a long satin skirt, brown gloves add richness. Cream loafers keep it soft. Mini shopper bag, refined and feminine. An oversized plaid blazer with tailored black pants, suede loafers, a mini shopper bag. The perfect mix of casual and polished. A navy button knit cardigan over a short tweed dress. Patent slingback heels, a leather shopper bag, gold hoops, classic and elegant. All black, a knitted coat and a turtleneck, high boots, leather shopper bag, a classic watch, sleek, confident and timeless. A navy tweed jacket with jewel buttons, white pants keep it fresh, black ankle boots, a structured bag, add earrings and a brown belt for balance, trench coat over a sweater and satin skirt, suede loafers, brown gloves, a chic bag, finish with a cozy scarf. You'll notice how these looks follow the same quiet logic. Navy sweaters layered over crisp white shirts, beige or black trousers, suede loafers, and structured bags create outfits that feel calm and intentional. Striped knits paired with tailored black pants, belts for structure, and ankle boots repeat that effortless elegance. Cashmere sweaters meet satin skirts softened with scarves and gloves, while navy jackets over black turtlenecks keep the silhouette sharp and confident. Warm browns and creams balance darker tones, while tweed jackets, jewel buttons, and clean tailoring quietly elevate the look. Even casual combinations, white jeans, relaxed blazers, sneakers, or flats, still feel refined when the colors stay cohesive and the shapes stay simple. That's the power of quiet luxury. It's not about having more clothes, it's about repeating the right formulas in the right colors until getting dressed feels easy. If you want all of these capsules and outfit formulas sent straight to your inbox, subscribe to my email list below. You'll get the full breakdown, and members always get it first.